Born from over 50 years of experience in some of the most challenging environments. At SRP Americas, we invite you to see the FG Wilson diesel generators powered with the Perkins 400 series. It's not only built to work in any environment, it comes with the option of weatherproof, galvanized, sound attenuated enclosures. This ensures you have peace and quiet no matter where you install it. The option of extended fuel lets you have all the running autonomy you need. Supported by at SRP Americas, ensuring you always have simply reliable power.